What's smashing, y'all? Today I'm gonna talk to you about how to use Photoshop to resize your emotes for Twitch. And we're gonna go through it step by step. And yeah, let's talk about it. So when you pull up to your Twitch and you go to your creator dashboard and you go to viewer rewards, there's a chance for you to click on your emotes. And here are the emotes I made myself, which are just lettering. You know, I'm not very too talented artistically, but these are just letterings that I made myself. And then these are ones that I paid for. Just a reminder, if you pay for an emote using Fiverr or someone that says they're an artist, they should already come in the right format. So all you would have to do is upload it. But for me, there's some things I paid for, like my SMASHIN Productions logo, which I never intended to use on my Twitch. But now that I've been uploading almost every week to SMASHIN Productions, I think I'll include it. And who knows, maybe it'll help me drive some traffic to my page when people ask me what that emote's about. So the easiest way to know the specifications for an emote to upload is you click on here. It says you're eligible to add emotes without waiting to approve for them. It says please upload your image and it'll be automatically resized. The image must have a maximum file size of 1 megabyte, be a resolution between 112 times 112 and 4096 times 4096, not be animated, in a square shape. So I already took the privilege already setting this up in Photoshop. I have it by the 112 by the 112. I'm going the lowest setting that it's required because every time I went higher, it kind of said that image file was too large. And I'm tired of going through that process. So we're gonna create. Then the easiest thing for here is just zoom in. The zoom in is down here in the bottom left by my SMASHIN Web Show. And say we do 300. Maybe 400. All right, so it doesn't look that big, but to be honest, when you upload an emote doesn't look that big. So I'm gonna bring over my SMASHIN Productions logo, drop it right in. Kind of looks a little crazy, but once you press enter, it fixes itself. I'll make it a little larger so it fits the area. And I wanted to take up this whole entire square. The whole entire square I wanted to take up. So when it pops up as an emote, it fits the whole thing. And it seems like that is perfect place for it. Maybe zoom it in a little bit more, just so I can center it better. SMASHIN Productions. And right here, this is how it looks. What we're gonna do is get rid of our background. Double click on the background, make it editable, and delete it. Now, it looks kind of crazy, but when you go back to that 100, it looks like a perfect emote. I just zoom in so it gives me more workspace and so we can see it properly. And now here's the easiest part. Once you just dropped in there and you zoomed in and you placed it perfectly to where you want to place it, you just go to File, you go to Save as Copy. We're going to go on my computer. Make sure you change it. It has to be a PNG. It has to be a PNG. It has to be a PNG. Save it as a PNG. I'm going to do, did try it before, SP logo. The PNG version, we're going to replace it. Save. Yes. Now that we saved it, all we have to do is go right back to Twitch. We'll go back to Twitch to this upload button right here. Go down to my SP logo. Double click it. And there we go. It's that easy. I mean, I only use Photoshop because I just started becoming good with Photoshop. I'm kind of all right with video editing because it doesn't require me to draw or anything like that or be creative. I just have to, stop timelines, insert things like that. But when it comes to Photoshop, I'm not that good. I'm not very skilled at drawing or anything like that. But I do know how to use it for basic necessities. And this is one of them. Look how easy it was to upload this. Now what I'm put is SP. It says this is a preview of what your emote would look in light mode and what it would look like in dark mode. Now just upload. Emote successfully uploaded into your collection and added to your slot. And to be honest, this is original size of it. It wasn't, it is definitely 1080p. So this is my SMASHIN Productions. It's definitely 1080p. The fact that it came out so good, and even here, if you know about my SMASHIN Productions, you come to my page, you know exactly what that logo is. So I just want to show you guys how to resize your logo. It's something so simple that a lot of people have pictures or drawings or some type of aspect, and they're like, I wish I can use an emote, but they just don't know how to do it. And I mean, I use Adobe. If you use anything else that you think works without you having to do the work, please write down in the comments. And if you haven't yet, if you learned anything, please smash that subscribe button. This is what's smashing. It's a web show that comes out every Friday, 9 o'clock Eastern. And today I just want to show you guys how to resize the emote and upload it. It's really it was really that easy using Adobe. And some people feel overwhelmed. Some people don't think they know what they're doing. But as long as you go by the guidelines, the 112 by the 112, zoom in a little bit so you can work on it, you know, so you can see what it actually looks like. It might look disconfigured, but once you zoom out back to the 100%, I'll show you exactly what the emote looks like. And yeah, thank you for being here. I hope everyone has a smashing day. If you learned anything at all, please smash that subscribe button. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.